Asa itong lid niya? Ita.
Paluyo rata.
Kumbat, ayaw iba ko.
Paluyo.
Bawal mag-shorts. Bawal mag-shorts. Tapisan na lang, tapis.
Pag sa'yo lang, sa'yo. Pag sa'yo lang, sa'yo.
Kasi pa nag-shorts din.
Oh, laman section, ma'am.
Kiling ko, jacket.
Ma'am, po laman section.
Sulo.
Ayan.
Dapat sa'yo lang, sa'yo.
Mag-short?
Okay.
Wala to na Oriel.
Tanda dress code mo ta.
Mga kapaglaom, may mga asawa, buhat siya matanaw sa bangag.
Bangag.
Kung asa, kanleksyon atong inuon.
Naapil naman si Bongbong deha. Bungog, bangag.
Angels, silence.
Silence lang, silent na tayo.
Puro mga vlog. Sini mo document.
Celebrate the cross of Jesus Christ before this is a state.
The city of Gaston Palace.
Sorry, I have vlogger na yung tanong dali. Kanina ko na ako ay ginasalit doon ako.
Mona. Kana na bangag nga naisan.
This is the birthplace of Jesus Christ to your right-hand side, according to tradition. This is where he was born, and he opened his eyes for the first time as man. And right over there, to your left, that is where he was laid inside the manger. Right over there. So you can touch, and once you have touched both places, please head to the back right over there so I can know if you're already done or not. But if you would like to take some photos, you can. Feel free to take
Hindi
some
na lang
photos.
touch kay kita naman na to.
Would you like to touch the star?
No
If
need
you would
na.
like to touch the star, you may.
No need na. Nagkaras na star. Libe. Simang, tingin man. Tanda doon man. Dapat ito. Tanaw dah. Tanaw dah dia. Tanaw. Okay rin eh.
For those who just arrived, the birthplace of our Lord is to your right, and the manger is to the left.
This is the star.
And I'm going to ask this question. Why does the star have 14 sides? Okay. Okay, from here. From him. It's because it's taken from the Gospel of Saint Matthew, or the Gospel of Matthew. According to Matthew 1, there are 14 generations. From the time of Abraham till the birth of David, another 14 generations till the exile to Babylon, and another 14 generations till the birth of Jesus. And this is why the Star of Bethlehem has 14 sides. You're welcome. You're more than welcome. Friends, if you have already taken the photos of both places, please wait for me up on top.
Picture lang ng isa mo.
Asa man? Ano ka picturean?
Ano?
Buka dia ka ura.
Lagi, dari lang. Dari. Dari lang. Sige. Ayo, di na kumadto. Dari lang. Dari lang. Ikaw, picture tanda bang? Dari selfie. Dari selfie lang. Selfie lang.
1, 2, 3 and smile. Brother pose. 1, 2, 3 and smile. Report.
Atang keadaan bang.
1, 2, 3 go smile. 1, 2, 3 1, 2 pak. 1.
Oh, hikap na lang taan eh. Bisa na.
Jadi pwede nga di ka hikap.
At least nakaabot na diri. Dito guys, salamat kayo ha. May kinakadala at photographer ba? Okay. Wandalar. Kamat.
Wandala.
Asa yung